My name is Becky Williams. I am currently the team leader for North Wales, and I started my journey with Adferiad 3 years ago this December as a community engagement officer.
My name's Rhys. I live in Neath Talbot. I'm interested in photography, a bit of cycling, do a bit of walking, and a couple of nerdier hobbies as well.
So I'm Ashley Thomas, and we're at the .com today to talk about how I come about Cyfle Cymru and how it's benefited me and how I think it could go on to benefit many other people.
My original post was as community engagement officer. That job entailed me to go around to various organisations, door knocking and basically selling the service and what we do at Cyfle and how we support clients. To do that, it was very much buying biscuits, going around to different organisations, having cups of tea and telling them about the wonderful things that we do, the peer mentors that we have, and what work that we can do with the various people that may need the support that we offer. The support that we offer ranges from things like courses to volunteering. It's very tailored to an individual and what their needs are. This can be anything for somebody who wants to get instantly into employment, or it could be somebody who's in active addiction and needs some support getting into SMS and support getting into various different groups to support them into recovery. Recovery is not linear. We don't look through books, and which probably people have had that are struggling with their recovery, telling them where they should be in their recovery and what they should be doing. It's not linear, and the peer mentors on the project, many of them have actually come up through the service, through mental health or addiction of various substances, and they've come through the service initially to get support from other peer mentors, and then they've become volunteers, then volunteer peer mentors, and then they've got full-time posts as peer mentors themselves. And we find that that's really valuable for the people that we support, because they're discussing their situation and their support needs and what's going on in their life with people who actually have lived experience of that and haven't necessarily just looked through a book and read about where they should be on various recovery.
I met Ross, who told me they do free courses, and obviously I was a bit nervous, but I went on. I've done about 4 or 5 courses now, so I thought I want to start at the peer mentoring, and it's easy. There's no pressure. You got help if you need to. Everyone's really friendly, and it's an amazing thing to give you that confidence of, well, you know, I never got to finish school, unfortunately, so I missed out on doing exams. But this made me feel, you know, I've done something. I've got courses, I've passed some things, I've got certificates to prove I've done it. And it just shows to anyone really that whether you got GCSEs or not, you can always go ahead and further your education by doing these free courses.
The way that I found Cyfle Cymru and was at a job fair in the Liberty Stadium, and tucked kind of away at the back, but I could see that there was a bit of a crowd. It seemed really interesting, so decided I was going to go over, immediately had a CV in hand, and I was immediately told, you don't have to worry about that. We're not taking people on, but we're here to help you. And that was the best thing that I'd heard that day, really, as opposed to, oh, we've got this job, we've got that job. It was, we're here to help. And that meant the world to me. I was recently made redundant and just trying to get back into work. And I spoke to Sam from Cyfle down there, and she just took me in straight away and went, great, what have you just come out of? What can you do? What are you interested in? And that was the big thing. What do you enjoy? That's what I was asked as the biggest question. What do you enjoy? What would you want to do? Not what can you do, what would you want to do?
Cyfle Cymru is a peer mentoring service. It's essentially an out-of-work service, so ideally we'd like to get people back into employment, people that have come across many, many barriers into employment. Ideally, that's what we want to do. However, not everybody that comes to us is in a position, or maybe ever will be, to get into work for whatever reason. So we help them by building their confidence and their self-worth. We help them come out of social isolation by offering volunteer roles or coming along to these brilliant group activities that we've got. We have wellbeing walks, we do arts and crafts. It's very much, so the clients that we help, it's very much what they want. So if we have a group of clients that are interested in I don't know, a knitting endeavour. They're all interested in knitting. We will then put on that activity for them. And so we could then donate those, maybe they're knitting cardigans or coats, jumpers for homeless, and we can then donate them, you know. So it's a meaningful activity and it gives people a sense of purpose.
I first came into contact with Cyfle Cymru through the Jack Lewis Foundation, and so the staff at the Jack Lewis introduced me to Ross, and they said, this is Ross from Cyfle Cymru. And so I started chatting to Ross, and I asked, do you mind if I ask you what it is you do? And so he showed me the leaflet, and he told me that he offers all these courses and they're all free. And I was nervous about it, but I thought, you know, I want to try and do it. And Ross was there every step of the way. He'd email me if I needed help, if I was at home, or when I come into the hub, and he'd be there if I need to find anything out, to ask any help. Again, he'd be there. He'd always be willing to help. He'd always be there to help, same as all the other staff at Cyfle Cymru. And yeah, he was down to Ross as well, who was helping me. And he basically signposted me and showed me what courses I could do. And I passed one of them, and then I thought I enjoyed that. So I went ahead and done another course. I passed that. Then I went ahead and did another course. And then me and Ross were chatting, and he suggested I attempt the peer mentoring course because he said he seemed to be doing really well. And my confidence then had grown. So I thought, you know what, yeah, I'm going to try it. And thankfully I passed first time.
Accessing Cyfle Cymru and getting into now full-time work, it was so great because I've heard from other people where as soon as you're in a job, the support stops, and that really wasn't the case with Cyfle Cymru. I was still checked in on. I was made to feel, you know, as if I mattered, and that was really great because I was still getting updates from them. You know, how are you doing? How's this going? You know, how are you finding the role? And what is the role? And just feeling there was a lot of interest there where I was, yeah, as I said, I was being made to feel like it mattered, what I had done had mattered. And it's been an ongoing thing. It's not just as soon as you're in, that's it. It's brilliant.
My current role as a team leader, basically what that is, I am there to support our peer mentors. Our peer mentors are wonderful people doing wonderful work. They are the ones, they are the heart of Cyfle, and they support our clients to get to whatever they want to be. They support our clients make positive changes, whatever that means to them. And my job is to make sure that they feel supported. They know what their role is, and I'm their first point of contact for any issues, or just to have a chat, you know. I mean, sometimes the job role can be quite wearing, you know. You hear some stories that can be quite upsetting, and I can be their point of contact to let all that out, you know, so they're not kind of keeping that in and taking their work home with them. I
have passed my peer mentoring course. I'm a volunteer with the Jack Lewis Foundation, and I'm proud to say I'm also being a volunteer now for Cyfle Cymru as well. So I'll be helping alongside Ross. I want to give something back to show that you've helped me, and I want to show that I want to help you all as well, because I think it's such a great thing that you do, and it's free. I'm quite technically minded, so I'm quite good with technology. So I think that may help as well. And yeah, I want to give back to them. I want to give back to everyone. And I think the best way I think I could do that is by volunteering with the organisations that I mentioned, and trying to spread the word and help other people. And then by helping them, I know I've helped them. It makes me feel better. And if we can help one person at a time, even just one person each day, it's going to make a difference.
Look at this peer mentor who is now in this amazing role and helping people in the situations that they used to be in. And it's going with actual true stories. And it was very much about not over-promising, telling them exactly what it is that we did. And sometimes that was actually difficult because it varied so widely about what support we can offer that it was getting across the message that it's tailored to a specific individual and what their needs are. community engagement officer, I as an average, I would register onto the project probably 35 people per month. So those people that have reached out to gain support from us, and I say majority of them have engaged and come a long way.
My wife now is doing peer mentoring course. Like I've said, I think it's an amazing thing because I think there's so many things like that are needed. This day and age, peer mentoring is needed, and excuse me, sorry, peer mentoring is needed, and I think it's also needed to help with mental health. It's a massive obstacle this day and age.
I think that the peer mentoring aspect of it, and having someone there who was at that same kind of level as you, was meeting you where you were and was able to fully empathize with you, was such a beneficial part of it, because it didn't feel like a kind of a school type aspect of it where you were being told, do this, do that, do this. It was far more, I did this and it helped me, and it just made me far more receptive to changing things, to trying things, to, doing things with job applications that I probably wouldn't normally do. And I think it just really helped to also feel like I had someone, batting in my corner for it. It was a great help.
There's one guy actually that I registered when I first started on the project, and absolutely fantastic story. So he registered on the project and he had significant mental health issues due to a speech impediment that he had. He came with his dad because he wouldn't answer any of the questions because of this speech impediment. He's now a registered volunteer with us, and he is a registered volunteer, and he comes to the majority of our volunteer events to do with gardening and fishing, and he's actually teaching now the other clients that we have to fish. So it's just fantastic.
Since Cyfle and the Jack Lewis now, I've gone on to do many things which I didn't think I would before. I've set up my own mobility scooter club, so people who also suffer with mobility, on nice days, sadly we're in Wales, we don't get a lot of them, but on nice days we can all go, just meet up, go for a tea or coffee and just get out of the house, mix and mingle. Just, again, being disabled sometimes, it's not always easy to get out and talk, so this helps. I've also gone to help open up a mental health Jack Lewis hub up in Cardiff, where I had the pleasure of meeting Prince William. Basically, knowing that I helped open that hub as well, I've had interviews about the Jack Lewis and how it's helped me. But I think it's important to mention Jack Lewis working alongside Cyfle has helped me do these things and achieve these things and know how to do it, because they've built my confidence.
I would absolutely recommend anyone to use Cyfle Cymru in the position that I was in. It was very overwhelming. It was very intimidating, and to have such experienced staff just step in and go, "Don't worry, we'll shoulder this burden for you," was an absolute lifesaver. It was incredible, and yeah, I'd 110% recommend them to anyone.
The impact Cyfle Cymru has had and continues to have is it significantly helps and supports people make positive changes.